Hi, this is your future linguist Micah. Before we start, could you guess where I am? That's right. We are at a o r e s t forest. What I just uttered are called phonemes. In the English language, we have 44 phonemes, 20 vowel sounds, and 24 consonant sounds. Let's now learn the 44 phonemes and try to say it with me. Are you ready? Alright. The 20 vowel sounds contain 7 short vowel sounds, 5 long vowel sounds, and 8 diphthongs. Let's start first with the short vowel sounds. E as in bit, E as in bed, A as in cat, O as in hot, O as in cup, U as in put, and the schwa sound about or sofa. The long vowel sounds are E as in bid, A as in car, O as in saw, U as in blue, U as in bird or her. The 8 diphthongs are A as in face, I as in Micah, Oi as in boy, Ow as in now, O as in go, E as in near or beer, E as in air, U as in pure. Let's now proceed with the 24 consonant sounds. P as in pen, B as in bat, T as in top, D as in dog, K as in cat, G as in get, F as in fish, V as in van, Th as in thin, Th as in this, S as in sun, Z as in zoo or buzz, Sh as in ship, R as in measure, H as in hat, M as in man, N as in net, L as in leg, R as in red, W as in window, Y as in yes, Ch as in chip, J as in judge. I hope you learned something today. See you in the next video. G, U, D, B, U, I. Goodbye.